On today's menu, a delicious recipe you can walk away with, even if you're using a stainless steel pan. Easy, vegan fried rice.
Lay home everyone, I'm Will Young. Fried rice is so easy to make. All you need to do is prep some veggies ahead of time and have some incredible leftover rice.
2 pieces of garlic, minced. Small piece of ginger, minced. One carrot. Four bok choy, roughly chopped. Sauté pan, medium-high heat. Couple tablespoons grapeseed oil. Give the pan 2 to 3 minutes to heat up.
Now the secret is to make sure that your pan is really nice and hot and you keep everything moving.
Garlic and ginger. Sauté for 5 to 10 seconds, then add the carrots. Bok choy. Half cup corn. 2 cups leftover rice. Half tablespoon sesame oil. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. Sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Plate. Green onion. You can now make this delicious fried rice with absolute confidence.
And that is how you make a super delicious and super fast, incredible fried rice in a stainless steel pan. Just incredible. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell and you won't miss a single episode.